Wanna know how to equip artifacts in Raid Shadow Legends? Well, no worries. Artifacts are essential to maximize your champion's power. Often, the Open Champion screen tap artifacts and equip gear like Life Seal, Speed Attack or Defense sets. This should be on your main menu. So full sets give bonus effects like much more, so try to equip matching sets for maximum impact. You can upgrade artifacts using artifact shards in order to increase stats furthermore. Focus on equipping your main champions first as well, and then balance speed, attack and defense to suit their roles in battles. So right artifacts can turn good champions into a powerhouse, so gear carefully and always upgrade. And that's it. This is how you easily equip artifacts in Raid Shadow Legends in order to maximize your champion's power and win battles. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.